Day in my life, dealing with the essentials, including blocked urinals. Let's get started.
This ain't Texas, ain't no hold 'em. So lay your cards down, 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 down. So park your Lexus and throw your keys up. Stick around, round, 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 round. Stick around. And I'll be damned if I can't.
Fixing a blocked urinal can be a tricky task. It requires some plumbing knowledge and the right tools. In public restrooms, it's crucial to keep things clean and functioning properly for everyone's comfort. Plumbers often wear gloves to protect their hands from any potential hazards. They start by inspecting